Imagine you are in a big, bustling city. Cars are zipping by. Trains are rumbling on their tracks. Millions of people are moving from one place to another. Now think about what's happening right under your feet. Deep beneath the ground, there is a whole other world of tunnels. These are not just dark, empty tubes. They are super important pathways that keep our cities alive and running smoothly. They are the hidden highways that carry our subways. They carry our cars. They carry our water. They carry the internet cables that connect us to the world. Without these incredible structures, our modern lives would come to a complete standstill. Tunnels are truly the unsung heroes of our daily routines. When you hop on a metro train to get to work or school, you are traveling through a tunnel. When you turn on the tap to get a glass of water, that water has likely traveled miles through a massive underground water tunnel to reach your home. Even the electricity that powers your lights and charges your phone often runs through cables protected by tunnels. But just like anything used every day, they need regular checks and maintenance to stay strong and safe. So what exactly is a tunnel pressure test? Let's break it down with a simple example. Imagine you have a balloon. You blow it up before a party to check for tiny holes. The air pushes against the inside of the balloon, creating pressure. If there's a weak spot, you hear a hiss or see it shrink. A tunnel pressure test works on the same idea, but way bigger. Instead of a balloon, we have a massive tunnel. Instead of just air, engineers use air or water to test seal and strength. The main reason is to check the tunnel's integrity. We want to know it's sealed and strong enough to keep outside stuff out. For a subway under a river, no water must leak inside. A pressure test can find even the tiniest crack. They use special sensors to watch whether pressure stays steady. If pressure drops, that points to a leak. Traditionally, these tests were manual. It was slow, difficult, and sometimes dangerous. This is where artificial intelligence, or AI, comes in and changes the game completely. Think of AI as a super smart computer brain that can process information much faster than any human ever could. In tunnel pressure testing, AI acts like a brilliant detective that can look at all the data from the sensors at once. Instead of a person staring at a gauge for hours, the AI system is connected directly to sensors throughout the tunnel. It can monitor every single one in real time 24/7 without ever getting tired or distracted. During a pressure test, the AI is fed a constant stream of data. Pressure levels, temperature readings, humidity, sound waves. The AI is trained to know what a normal pressure test looks like. It learns expected patterns. It finds connections and correlations invisible to the naked eye. By connecting these dots, the AI can tell engineers there's a leak and predict exactly where that leak is located. One of the most incredible things about using AI in tunnel pressure tests is its ability to